birthday to Sam.
Start at the beginning. Happy birthday to you.
Happy
Wait,
birthday.
I'm just doing David right now. Go ahead, David.
Happy birthday to Sam.
Anna, can you get me a drink?
Happy birthday, dear Sam.
Thank you. Go.
And 1, 2, 3, 4. Happy birthday to you. You live.
No, take 2.
You're 102.
No.
Happy birthday to you.
Wait, let's start all together. 1, 2, ready, go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sam. Happy birthday to